We return to the Sapphire Coast, where the drama of the chase pod continues. Dot, the mother humpback, and her 5-month-old calf, Dee, have broken through the blockade of Brutus and Bacchus, but their struggle is far from over. Close behind them, Darcy, the loyal male escort, runs interference. He drives his 30-ton bulk between mother and calf and the advancing males again and again. Yet the aggression does not falter. Trumpeting blows echo across the waves, deep, guttural sounds that can be heard for kilometres. Rarely do we witness such intensity so close to shore. And then, as if 2 males were not enough, a third black-backed giant surfaces. We shall call him Bono. With Bono, the B team grows stronger still. Three determined males weighing more than buses, hurling themselves through the water with relentless pursuit. Dot and a calf respond with a new strategy. Together, they accelerate, turning away from the reef and streaming out to sea. Extraordinary for a mother balancing her calf's limited stamina. For Dee, this is a perilous test. At just 5 months, the young whale is still dependent on its mother's milk, drinking up to 600 litres a day. Separation now could prove fatal. These bursts of energy burn immense reserves. A single lunge can cost a humpback thousands of kilocalories, but the escort persists. Dee clings tightly to its mother's slipstream. Darcy follows close, veering off with sudden blocking moves whenever Brutus or Bacchus surge too near. What we have witnessed here is rare. Chase pods are powerful spectacles, demonstrations of stamina, strategy and desire. But to see one unfold near the coast, accompanied by trumpeting calls loud enough to carry to shore, is extraordinary. "15 minutes later, the pod has driven 2 kilometres out to sea. From above, the drone shows Dot and D holding a tight formation. Their blows rise and turn, framed by the churned white caps of the spring ocean. For a moment, it seems like they have shaken their pursuers. Darcy lingers just behind, ever vigilant, but the ocean holds its tension ominously. The B team surfaces once more, still trumpeting, still in chase mode. They have slowed, but not abandoned the pursuit. The gauntlet is not over yet. These whales must still navigate thousands of kilometres south to the icy feeding grounds of Antarctica. And in every kilometre, threats remain. From rivals, from hunger, and from the endless pressures of their long migration.